Students, today we will read the following lesson, When I Grow. It is the following lesson of I would like to. Now we will read the following lesson, When I Grow. What is the meaning of grow? Grow means become older. When I become older. Here the poet wants to do something. So wants to become something. When he grows up. Now I will ask you, friends, what do you want to be in future when you grow? You must say that we would like to be a scientist, an engineer, doctor, astronauts, like this. Now we will read the poem When I Grow and know what the child wants to be after he becomes older. When the child becomes older, what does he want to do? Look at your book. When I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. When I grow up, now the child is saying that when I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. So what is the meaning of detective? Detective, one who detects crime. Detective means one who detects crime, detects or investigates. He investigates crime or faults. Now the child wants to be a detective. Now when he grows up, he wants to be a detective and with a master key of his own. He also wants to possess a master key. What is the meaning of master key? Main key, the important key, the special key. The child wants to possess a master key so that he can detect everything. After he became a detective, he wants to possess a master key with which he can do everything. Next, I could be a soldier, perhaps a sailor too, or become a keeper at Nandangunju. Again, the child wants to be a soldier. What is the meaning of soldier? SOLDIER, one who protects, the country, protect the country. Country. At first the child wants to become a detective with a master key of his own. Secondly, he wants to be a soldier. Perhaps a sailor too. He also wants to become a sailor. What is the meaning of sailor? One who sails boat. Sailor. One who sails boat. SAIL. One who sells boat. Here he wants to be a soldier and also a sailor. Again he also wants to become a keeper at Nandanganj. That means he wants to be a zookeeper who takes care. Keeper. What is the meaning of zookeeper? Who one who takes care of the Jew. In this stanza, at the first stanza, the poet wants to be a detective with a master key of his own. In the second stanza, the poet wants to be a soldier. After becoming a soldier, he will protect the country from outside attack. He also wants to be a soldier, a sailor, one who saves the boats in the seas or rivers. Again, he wants to be a zookeeper at Nandankanan. In the third stanza, I would like to own a trumpet and play a musical tune. He also wants to possess a trumpet. What is the meaning of trumpet? Trumpet. It is a wind musical instrument. Wind musical instrument. Musical instrument. Meant brings to INSTRUMENT, musical instrument. Here the child wants to possess a musical instrument, that is trumpet, and play musical tone. He also likes to play musical tone with his trumpet. That means he wants to be a musician. At first he wants to be a detective, then he wants to be a sailor, thirdly he wants to be a soldier, fourthly he wants to be a zookeeper, and fifthly he wants to be a musician. Again he also wants to buy a private spaceship to fly to the moon. He also wants to buy a private spaceship. What is the private spaceship? Space means space vehicle. Spaceship. And a space vehicle. The vehicle which moves in space. He wants to possess a private spaceship through which he can move to the moon. That means he wants to be an astronaut. Again he also wants to be a driver. I would like to be a driver of an express diesel train. He also wants to be a driver of an express diesel train. What is the meaning of express? Express means super fast. Express, super fast. Super fast. Here he wants to be a driver of a diesel train. Or be a lighthouse keeper where I want and when. He also wants to be a lighthouse keeper who maintains light at the ports. He means the child here wants in this stanza the child wants to be possess a trumpet and through which he can play musical tune. That means he wants to be a musician. He also wants to buy a spaceship through which he can fly to the moon. That means he wants to be an astronaut. In the fourth stanza, he wants to be a driver of an express train. He wants to be a driver and he can drive the express rail train. And also be a lighthouse keeper. He also wants to become a lighthouse keeper. And when I want and where I want and when I would like, and when. For the more one lives, the more one loves. Why does the child wants to possess a lot of professions? Why does the child want to possess all these professions like detective, soldier, sailor, zookeeper, musician, astronaut, driver, lighthouse keeper? Why does the child want to be? Why want to possess such type of professions? For the more one lives, the more one learns. For the more one lives, that means when one becomes older and older, he learns more. So he wants to become older and to learn a lot of things by acquiring this type of professions. For the more one lives, the more one learns. Then the child wants to become older and older and he also wants to learn more and more. I think I will take all these things. I think here means I think when the child thinks that he will be all these things, that means he will possess all the things with all these professions. I think I will be all the things and go on taking turns, go on taking my changing my life. I will go on taking my turns. That means I will go on changing my life. The child wants to possess a lot of profession so that he might gain knowledge and he might change his life, but he may learn more. I think I will be all these things and go on taking turns. In this last stanza, the child wants to possess all these professions that are said above. He also wants to possess all these professions and go on taking turns, that means go on changing his life. The child is very much interested to learn how, now by acquiring such type of professions. This is all about the poem, that is poem by Crow. Now I will give some questions on this poem. Question number 1. What does the child want to be in the first stanza? What does the child want to be in the first stanza? What does the child want to be in the first stanza? Second question, what are the different kinds of jobs? Different kinds of jobs that, what are the different kinds of jobs that the child, that the wants to possess, what are the different kinds of jobs that the child wants to possess? In which stanza the child wants to be a musician? In which stanza? The child wants to own a trumpet pot. What does the child how does the child wants to go to the moon? How does the child want to go to the moon? These are some of the questions that are put from the poem. First achieve what does the child want to be in the first stanza? Now in the first stanza, the child wants to be a detective with a master key of his own. The child wants to be a detective with a master key of his own. It is the first answer. It is the answer of the first question. Second question. What are the different kinds of jobs that the child wants to possess? The different kinds of jobs that the child wants to possess are detective, soldier, sailor, zookeeper, musician, astronaut, train driver, lighthouse keeper. These are some of the professions that the child wants to possess. Number 3. In which stanza the child wants to own a trumpet? In third stanza, the child wants to own a trumpet. In third stanza, the child wants to own a trumpet. How does the child want to go to the moon? The child wants to go to the moon by a private spaceship. These are some of the answers of these questions. Thank you very much.